Hey, Rembo here, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about shaft drives versus chain drives, because I'm starting to see with a few of my posts that many of you are just really big shaft-driven motorcycle enthusiasts, and some of you think, well, that's the only way. Well, let's have a discussion about shaft drive versus chain drive. Let's do it. Hey there, Rembo here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, and this sparks debates amongst us motorcycle enthusiasts, basically for all ages. It's the battle between chain drive and shaft drive motorcycles. So let's just kick back, relax, and unravel the differences while we share why chain drives have a special place in our hearts. Shall we? All right. Chain drives. Let's just talk chain drives. These babies have some awesome perks. You see chain drive motorcycles, lightweight, which means they're like a breeze to handle and maneuver. Ever felt that instant jolt of power when you twist that throttle? It's chain drives that deliver that punchy response and adrenaline rush that you just can't resist. And hey, maintaining them is all right too. With a little TLC, I mean very little. They keep rocking on without burning a hole in your pocket, okay? Chain drives, man, lightweight design, easy peasy handling and maneuverability, instant power delivery, that sweet adrenaline kick when you throttle up, and it's wallet-friendly maintenance. It's no need to break the bank to keep them running smoothly. All right, now maybe we'll talk about shaft drives, which, because some of you guys, face it, you like the shaft. And, you know, these bad boys, they're known for their smooth, quiet ride. They're perfect for that laid-back touring adventure. You know what they say, there's no sunshine without a bit of rain, but shaft drives are heavier, and sometimes that extra weight might make you miss those nimble moves you can pull off with a chain drive. Plus, when things go wrong, repair bills are a bummer with shaft drives, okay? So shaft drives, yeah, they're smooth and peaceful rides, and they're ideal for long-distance cruising, and they're less maintenance fuss. It gives you more time on the road, less in the garage. I honestly think that's kind of BS, to be quite honest with you. People say, oh, it's no maintenance. Try ever doing no maintenance on your shaft drive, all right? It's BS. Now, how about the negatives with shaft drive? Added weight can make you feel like you're carrying your mother-in-law on the back. All right, just kidding. And it's costly repairs. You have to be prepared for a bit more dent in your wallet if something goes wrong. All right, now, yeah, I'm a little biased for chain drives, okay? It's just that some of you seem to think that a bike isn't a motorcycle and it's not worth buying unless it has a shaft drive. Come on, man. Let's level here. We're pretty smitten with chain drives, and here's why. You know why? It's that feeling you get when you ride and everything clicks. Well, chain drive bikes give us that instant connection to the road. They're like the soulmates of motorcycling, making you feel alive with every twist of the wrist. Now, that magical connection, it's like reading your mind on the road, man. You twist and you feel it. It's raw power. It's a thrilling experience. And who doesn't want a bit of excitement when you're riding your motorcycle, all right? But let's debunk a couple of things, all right? And let's just clear some rumors here, shall we? Some folks claim that chain drives are high-maintenance divas, but hey, these chains can be pretty darn durable with some regular TLC, I mean, and lubrication. And guess what? These fancy seal chains make maintenance even more accessible, like having a motorcycle with its own butler. These chains are not the chains of old, man. These are so much better these days. I have gone well over 4,500 miles without even needing to adjust my chain, and I'm very particular about that, all right? If you have proper chain care, you know what that equals? Longevity. They're less high maintenance than people think. And seal chains, it's like having a helpful sidekick, man. You know what I mean? And before we wrap things up, let's discuss the looks. Do you know what we love about chain drives? It's that rugged, authentic biker charm. If I want something with a shaft drive, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy a car. That's how I feel. All right? I'd rather be like the rebel of the motorcycle world, okay? That's what I want to be. I want to enjoy the chain. It just makes more sense. That's it. Just a little TLC. So remember, you want that rugged and authentic motorcycle look? You want to be the rock star motorcycles? Yeah, well, chain drive is going to give you that. All right? So there you have it. Chain drives hold a special place in our biker souls, man. It's all about personal preferences and riding style, right? I mean, isn't it always? So whether you're a team chain member or you're into team shaft because you like the shaft, I'd love to hear your thoughts and please comment below. Remember, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell icon to join us, and we'll go on some more two-wheeled adventures. So stay safe, keep the shiny side up, and catch you next time on the road, man. Peace out. This is Rembo. Please like, please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.